Fixing a negative balance on your PayPal account is something you want to handle quickly so you can keep using your account normally. This usually happens if a bank transfer fails, a buyer files a dispute, or a refund goes through without enough cash in your digital wallet. You have a window of 120 days to bring that balance back to zero before your account faces serious limitations. To clear this up, open your web browser or launch the PayPal app on your device and log into your account. If you are using a computer, look directly at your dashboard and click on the link that says Resolve Negative Balance. If you are on the mobile app, you can simply tap the actual negative balance number displayed right on your home screen. From there, click the button that says Add Money. You will see a list of your linked payment methods, so select your preferred funding source, like your primary checking account or a debit card. Follow the remaining on-screen prompts to confirm and complete the transfer. Now, that goes both ways when it comes to the method you choose. If you select your bank account, the important thing is that it can take 3 to 5 business days for the funds to actually clear and update your balance. Using a debit card is much faster, but in my case, I prefer the standard bank transfer if I am not in a huge rush. Another option is simply waiting to receive a payment. If a friend sends you money or you make a sale, PayPal will automatically apply those incoming funds directly toward your negative balance until it reaches zero. There is a catch if you hold multiple currencies. If one specific currency dips into the negatives, PayPal will automatically convert funds from your other currency balances after 21 days to cover the shortage. The important thing to remember during this time is that you cannot use your PayPal balance to send refunds to buyers. Any refunds you try to issue will be funded entirely by your primary linked bank account instead. If you suspect fraud and think your balance is negative because someone unauthorized accessed your account, do not add money right away. Instead, back out of the main dashboard, go into the Resolution Center, and file a report immediately to contest those charges.